Hello and welcome to Danygraig Road in Port Tennant. Today I'm situated in a lovely 3-bed terrace property with a sun terrace to the rear, garage and parking as well. If you'd like to see more, please let me know and follow me around the property, take a little look for yourself. That was our property on Danygraig Road. This property, as you've just seen, has got high specifications throughout the entire property. We're on the sun terrace right here, garage just to my right and parking on the other side. If you're interested in seeing this property with me, I'd be delighted to speak to you. Contact me directly, my mobile is just by there. Contact our office. I look forward to speaking to you soon.